Hello and welcome to the Market Bull. My name is Hannah Mannion and today I'm joined in the studio by Matthew Boyes, the Managing Director at Pacgold Limited. Matthew, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, and thank you for having me on.
Pacgold recently acquired the St George Gold Antimony project in North Queensland. What is most exciting about this project?
Look, I think it's the most exciting aspect of the project is it's a commodity which is obviously got a lot of traction recently. Antimony is in a space where it's got a lot of market interest, and for us, really the St George asset demonstrates that there's some very high grade antimony at surface with very little exploration done on it to date. It's a large land package, it's very close to Alice River project, so there's synergies between the two, and obviously we've got some outstanding rock chip values up to 60% antimony at surface. So it's something we can follow up on immediately and start drilling hopefully before the end of the year. We've already got heritage clearance on an area of it, and we're starting exploration next week, so we're all very keen to get in there.
Back at Alice River, how is the drilling campaign progressing?
Drilling's going really well this year. We've done just under 11,000 metres of RC drilling at the moment. We've just completed our first follow-up air core program, which was an extension of the air core program from last year, which basically gives us the ability to then target new areas outside of the existing targets from what we've already developed. And we've done 4 to 5 diamond holes as well this year. And then we'll be obviously moving on to the next targets as we move through the drilling season.
Drilling is about to commence at the White Line prospect. Tell us about this anomaly.
The White Line anomaly itself is probably the most exciting anomaly I've seen come out of Alice River to date. It's a geophysical anomaly. There's a coincident IP chargeability high, so probably demonstrating as a sulfidic body at depth. The anomaly starts between 50 metres from surface and travels down to 250 metres down. It's coincident with a large donut-shaped magnetic anomaly. We've had an inversion done on that. We can see the slicing that at 200 metres from surface. There's this beautiful donut-shaped anomaly, like 1 kilometre wide by 1 kilometre. That sits in conjunction with this IP chargeability high, and we've also got gold at surface. So we've got the three things lined up there. And we'll be starting to drill that hopefully by the 7th of September. So we're all very keen to get in there and see what's under there. 15 holes go in. The initial program is just under 2,000 metres, and then we'll update the market with results from that as soon as we can.
Amazing. So what news flow can investors look forward to over the coming months?
A lot. I think we'll have an exploration commencing on the Antimony project at St George. We'll have the last third of our RC program on probably the best targets we've drilled to date, which is Victoria and also Jerry Dodd Southeast. We've also got POSI results from the RC. We have the air core results coming out very shortly as well. The updated geophysics, which we actually put out today, and also then there's the White Line drilling and fingers crossed the discovery. So that'll be the news flow for the short term.
Matthew, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much for having me on. Cheers.